Okay, so now we will be doing a system design round. This is just starting up, and by the time, what the other things we are looking for? We are looking for this question, egg dropping. We tried it. We have done it in past. We know one thing that this is somehow a DP problem because yeah, we are doing. Okay, let's join the deep interview first, and then we'll see about that question. How that goes. This would be amazing because this is a system design. So I have certain. Oh, hello, hello. Am I audible? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, nice man. Like what you said, four final rounds for what? Yeah, sure. Okay. So you are a engineering manager at Amazon, right? Oh, nice. Nice, nice. So I'm Ayush. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's and I'm in final year. So yeah, I'm doing bachelor's in information technology. Yeah, sure. So I'm preparing for interviews, or obviously. So yeah, for software developer roles. Uh, Not as yeah, I know some of the famous system design problems, but how you want to go about it? Yeah, sure. Yeah, so let me first be an interviewer because this is first time over this. Have you done this interview before, like on Exponent? Yeah, you. Got it, got it. So yeah, let me. I have a repository of system design problem. Let me see one of them. Yeah, car rental. Yeah, so let's. This is. Would you like to design a car rental system? Yeah. What you pasted in chat? Okay. What's that? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's just opening. Yeah, now I think I can see something. Requirements. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sure. Let me give you some of the basic requirements. Yeah. What were you saying? Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm here. I didn't got you what you're saying. Yeah, what you said. I did not got actually what you said. Yeah, yeah. I think there is a lag a bit. Yeah, I can hear you, but I think there is a bit lag. Yeah, Monday. Can you hear me properly? Am I audible? Yeah. Acha. Okay. So yeah, let me write some of the requirements that your basic requirements like your system should support renting the different automobiles like cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, and motorcycles. So these five things which I want your system to have in it. Did you got it? So each vehicle should be added with a unique barcode and some details, including the parking stall number, which helps to locate the vehicle. So, did you got it? Ha, now I can see. Okay, can check. Yeah. So also members should be able to search the vehicle inventory and reserve any available vehicle. Hmm. And System will read the barcodes of the vehicle. System can also send some notifications like whenever the reservation is approaching the pickup date, as well as when the vehicle is near due date or has not been returned within the due date. System should be able to send notifications regarding these things. Or your members can add the rental insurance to their reservation. Like navigation, child seat. Yeah, so yeah, members can add the rental insurance to their reservations. Like, yeah, there would be some kind of a rental insurance. Okay, so this is the main system which we will be designing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, okay, so how many should a car rental system should support? Let's say about 1,000 cars in because this is also this is the rental area which we have that has, like, let's say multiple floors it has. Okay, and every floor has, let's say, 100 slots. So there are 10 floors and 100 slots. Let's keep a rental system building like that. Mm, yeah, let's add that. Let's add that. So there is a system. So yeah, so the owner of this car rental, let's say they has some garage. Okay, so let's say they have five garage. Yeah. Hmm. So yeah, as you can see, like maximum number of customers that we can support is that, like, but on an average we can expect around, let's say, per garage, let's say there are 500 per, yeah, customers. Yeah. Mm. I didn't got you what you're saying. uh, like, because the reservation system can hold the car up to for many days also, so let's keep a number a bit lower than that because we have only thousand. So maybe some people park their car for one day, some people park the car for a week. So per day, if you ask me, the new reservations which we get per day, let's keep it around 200. So are you taking it in the direction of like high level design or in the low level design? Yeah, so let's take it into the terms of low level design. Yeah. What do you mean by backend side? Mhm. Yeah, let's you can go any way you want. So if yeah, whatever you prefer. Sure, sure. Yeah, let's start with the web application. Yeah, Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Sure. 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 Yeah. 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 Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah. 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 So first thing is like when I said about low level design, how did you perceive it to take into this direction? Like, and why not something like use case diagram or something like class diagrams? Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, somehow something like that only. And some more things which you can add is like um, login authentication for a customer, and also like yeah, some like when he make a reservation, what are the like some you can go in detail about that, like how he made reservation. Are there some extra equipments, or does he need extra driver, something like that you can add there. Yeah. So yeah, this was my main thing. Like you designed like first I thought like when you started designing API and databases, I'm not sure like does it not comes under the high level design? Does it come under the low level design? Yeah. Yeah, I've pasted a link in the chat. You can see like um that is correct. Like APIs comes under that aspect, but what like generally I thought we should call it as like the classes, or basically what you are creating, because APIs comes under the more into the web section, like when you are designing a web application, and that's what I said also that. But classes, I think the what I was expecting was something like Java or a C++ program, like what you can really make for such a car rental system. Can you see the link which I just pasted? Yeah, so can you figure out like how this is like related to? I don't think this is related to web application. What you said? Yeah, yeah. Like basically I'm like whatever I have studied till now in system design, I just refer to this only what I have said shared with you. So these are some common examples which I found out. So I was just going through this on. I think this is like how a system low level design, because what you did was creating a web application, APIs and databases. I like how I have like learned things that I think that that is comes under the high level design of a system. And low level design is when we write use case and class diagrams, then we start implementing classes one by one. Is not that the case? System. Yeah. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Acha. Also, like, how did you prepare for system design? Like, what were the resources which you used? Okay. Mm-hmm. So basically, you preferred books and GitHub repositories. Both. Mm. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Like for SDE for starting entry level roles for like software developer roles, what is the like key session like focus for system design round? Generally, they call it a low level design is more focus as compared to high level design for beginners like for software developer roles. Okay. 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 Yeah, got it. Chalo, let's start with my interview. Uh, yeah, yeah, sure, sure. YouTube. Okay. So let me. I can edit this, right? The link which you shared. Okay, okay. Yeah, let me do it and then just a docs. I create a docs and share the link of docs. Okay, okay. Yeah, so actually, yeah, so one thing would be when you started defining APIs, so we could have gone more detailed about some of the as you can see, because I was referring to whatever I was referring to, I sent to you. So as you can see, there are so many components over here. As I said, one of the payment is what we missed out, and some of the components services, extra services, what can be included. So just getting more detail into the each class, each component, like as you said, reservation, what will we do in reservation, customers, and yeah, on that we can go. But you was I think designing, you did the mixture of both. For high level design also you provided some things, and for low level design also. So that is, I think, a cool thing. Let me just share this link with you. I created on the docs. Yeah, I'm just sharing the link. So, how I perceive it as a a system design question is that first I define the use case. Let's start talking about use cases, or some of the system requirements what we can have. For YouTube, I think a user should be able to search first of all, whatever videos that he want to. So there would be a search option which fetches the video by. Yeah, sure. I'll just send the link now. Oh, okay. Yeah. Enable with the video. Yeah, my laptop is lagging actually. But no, I'm in India. Oh, nice. So, how many years of experience do you have? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, what is your current organization where you are? Okay. Yeah. Now, can you? Yeah, but there are so many companies. Like, yeah, I don't know exactly my name, but yeah, it's great. But and what your role which you are at? Like, you are a manager, engineering manager. Okay, nice. So, can you access it now? Like, can you edit it? Yeah. So let me write what I'm saying. So first of all, let's define system requirements. So first I can think is the user should be able to search, and with that comes some of the search filters uh, like by date, or by, let's say, location, or what can else be, yeah, it can maybe something like language, obviously. Yeah. These are some of the search filters which I can think. Do you want to add something in this? You can't see what I'm writing. Why is it so? Like, can you try to edit docs? So let me think. Let me see if you can edit or not. Edit access. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I just created the link. So let me write it to editor. Also, I changed the name also. So by default, it comes as untitled. Change to something like yeah, system requirements. Now it is. Okay. Still, can you not see? You can't see what I have written. Okay. Can you write something? Let me see. Like if the yeah, but can you see system requirements written on down of it? And okay, so uh, also the next thing would be there will be some like what user can able to search. There is some trending uh, videos which we can like show, like we can have a separate yeah, like component for trending videos. So where we will show that all the trending videos that are there, and again, like login logout functionality uh, for user, and what else can user should be able to, if I talk about some video features, user should be able to like, comment. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 got it. So one thing I think I was missing is like sure, creation of new video. So this is the creator side of view. He can create videos. There is some edit functionalities for videos. Then analytics is one of the important part. So yeah, so I think these three things are the most important for a creator perspective. And then, as you said, this next we will be for a user perspective. I think yeah, I think these two things would go for the user. Like user should be able to search and like and comment and subscribe to the that. Yeah. Are there any other use cases you want to add? Yeah. Should I start with something like class diagrams? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, I can hear you. Can you hear me? I think again there is a lag. Hmm, there's a bit lag, I think. Okay, let's proceed. So I was thinking, like, should we start with the class diagrams? What? Let me identify what would be the some important classes we will need. Hello, hello, hello. Are you here? Let me write in chat. I can't hear you. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Hello, now can you hear me? Hello, hello, am I audible? Yes, I can hear you. Okay. I don't know what was that issue. I was saying like, yeah, I can hear you. Again, there is a lag, I feel. So I was saying that, in, yeah, so in class diagram, should I start with something like accounts? I think this will be important class because that extends user and creator. Are you saying something? Yeah, because like this is the way I have learned system design till now. Like, what I have been told, like in the interviews, more oftenly I will be asked about low level design, where I will be first starting off with the requirements, then use case diagram, and then class diagrams, and then code. So that is how I perceive it. So our account extends two classes. One is a user and a creator. So, or better if we use it as a viewer, because as you said, like that's a viewer, and there are two types of accounts. One is for user, one for viewer, and one for creator. And again, some of the common functionality that they would have is, let's say, an ID, password, and account account creation date, and yeah, what else can they have? They can have some functionalities, right? Reset password, or let's say they have a username or account name, like what we have channel name, I think, because YouTube, everyone has a channel. So as soon as they create an ID and they have account, so they will have a channel name. So yeah, which they can change again. So reset channel name. So these are some common functionality. Then if I just talk about a viewer, which will extend our account, what other functionalities viewer should have? I think search is also a common functionality, something like both user and creator can do. So I can keep it search over here. Search uh, ch, and this I will pass a like object of video. So let me create now a video class. So uh, yeah, so there will be a search video which will return me object. Yeah, what? Okay, so there, I think for search, I can create something called interface, where I would be able to search using multiple things. So uh, we will see about viewer and um, the creator. But let me first create something called a search interface, which will help us to search by name, or if some user types exact name of the video, so we should be able to give them that video, or Or if they search by category, so if user, let's say, just click some category, let's say music, or even trending is generally one of the category, I feel. So if user search by category like music or dance or something, so we should give them that those kind of videos. So searching by name also, it returns a list of videos, because it always returns a list of videos. And these are all functions: search by name, search by category. So yeah. Yeah, so what are you asking? How will I handle all those cases? Or so basically, we will try to uh, make our search most accurate as we can. Like, but in case of category, it's like all the videos that are present in that category will come up. I think like that. So, are you trying to ask how a system will handle those large number of videos? Yeah, so what I feel actually happens is the YouTube system is that we like not return all the videos at once, but we always as we scroll down till the bottom of the page, like then it loads more videos. So that's a system like which YouTube uses, I think. So that's something like similar to that what we can. So we can set a limit of, let's say, 30 videos I will fetch instantly. So those 30 video will be and as soon as the user reaches the bottom of the page, then I'll fetch the new set of 30 videos and so on. So in that way, yeah, okay. So I think, yeah, so yeah, so this list of videos that it the I think the interface should be able to fetch all the videos, I feel. But it is just like what 30, which I'm saying a number. This is just how we display those videos. So this is like how front end works. It only displays 30 videos, and as soon as the so there is like we have this list of videos which contains, let's say, all number of videos. So for that we want a robust system, as you mentioning. So the database which can handle queries up to which can retrieve so many a large number of rows or large number of videos. So for that matter, we should prefer something like NoSQL database. But what I was mentioning is that those 30 videos are just loaded, what is actually loaded into the front end. But server has the if when this query goes to the server, that search by category, it actually fetches all the videos of that category. Is it work? Yeah. So after this are just interfaces. So now who can access this interface? I think again, viewer and creator can access this interface. So they will have their methods for searching the by name and category. Now let me create a viewer. So what extra thing you viewer has after the account is the is something like functionalities. Functionalities is obviously like liking a video. So you'll pass a video which a user is currently seeing. So he can like that video, or similarly comment and subscribe to a channel. So then I will need a channel, I think. And channel, and then yeah. So a channel and video class, I think now we should implement. So channel has a list of videos, and what other thing a channel has? A channel has icon. A channel has a banner, and playlist. Playlist would come under the uh, video section, but yeah, there is a separate page for playlist. So then a playlist which again contains a list of videos. So video, then playlist, something. So first of all, video will have uh, some metadata. What we can have about video is like the length of video, the look, uh, language as like string, and then length as integer, and it has a, like, how do I refer to the actual like captions it can have. And some of the actions that we can is there anything else which we should add in video? Do you think anything else which we can add in this section, like what all things that video has? So I think a channel name we can add, like which channel this video belongs to, and captions is what we see in videos, like captions, what comes under the video. If somebody has like clicked on the options to see the captions, he will be shown the captions of the I think captions, yeah, I think I should call it as subtitles, right? So, also title is missing. Video title is important thing. Yeah, what are you saying? Mhm. Yeah, yeah, that is, yeah, that is again like something which will be there obviously, but I was also thinking about this, but then I could not actually determine, like the same question which you are asking, like file would be an mp3 file, but like as I'm designing this system, as like thinking of that it will look like classes, these classes will be implemented in like C++, like I prefer C++ for coding, or Java maybe. So then I will have that. So how can I have never like created any class which has a data member, and that data member is something like even an image or even a video? Like how can that happen? Is it possible? Like basically, you said na video file would be there. So video file would be an MP3 format, right? Yeah, let's call it a video format. But yeah, is it like nice to keep it over here? Like, is it possible actually in Java or C++? I'm not sure, to have a video format. Yeah. So this file, Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, got it. So, but I think now I remember I have done this somewhere, like when I was designing an application. So there was, I think, yeah, images I have shown based on I stored it somewhere. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, it comes through file ID or maybe through link, which like I'm talking currently in terms of like web application. Then it is like in that case, it is a bit more easier, I feel, because then I can show using the link. But over here, let's keep it as file ID and video format, video stored somewhere. And this is somehow linked to that location and gives the customer whatever video they want. So these are some things regarding the video, and the playlist section would have again a list of videos and a playlist name and created at, and yeah, these three things, and edit playlist, basically add videos or delete videos. So we can have a function for add videos where we provide a video to this, and that will add into the list, and similarly remove videos. So this is how the playlist, okay, so viewer is able to subscribe a channel and videos and playlist. After this, user, any other functionality that you want to add in the user section, like uh, viewer section, viewer can yeah. So watch video, like are you saying like how will you get videos, like search by name? I thought like the search interface is something which he will use, like viewer will use. So this is just an interface, so all these methods will be implemented by this viewer. So he can provide the name of the video he wants to see, and or you can provide the category also. Yeah, so when he finds the video, like say this returns him the basically a video thing. So um, yeah, basically it returns a list of videos. So then he can like choose any one of the video, and based on that video, we will have that file format linked with that video, so that he can see. Yeah, but yeah, and then this is also same. Yeah, I think there is a watch list. Yeah, also user. Yeah, I got it. So watch list or something like watch list is for the videos which we want to see, and the recent watch is for like the videos that a user has watched. These two things I think we can have here. Yeah, are you saying something? Yeah, so I think that like the next section which I would like to go is that to like have one of the some of the main functionalities, like to actually work on some of the functionalities, like how does it actually happen. Let's say also if we can even focus on something like login logout. Has I created login logout functionality? No. So one thing is that we can add a login logout functionality. Yeah. So login, whenever the user has this login, So account, I think I should add it in. This is the account sections. So yeah, that creates an account. So when login or register, I could call it login or register. So that user provides his ID and password, and then it generates something like token, something like authentication token it generates. So uh, how to generate a token, and so that token will identify this account that a user has. So that this is the login ID, and a password that user will provide, and logout will have only a method called logout that I think would should like that token should get. mm, yeah, I think the when user refresh the page, then that is implemented, I think, using the token which I'm saying that gets stored on the server, and that is like for a user session, that token gets created. So until the time that user presses on logout, so that token is valid till that time. So even if the user refresh the web page, then that token is still stored at the server, so we can know that user is still logged in. Mm, which token on this? I didn't get what you're saying. Mhm. Yeah. Hmm. So I think what you're saying, I have studied about this somewhere. Like what we do, that this token, like what actually happens is that key when a user logs into the system or registers into the system, that token is like what we that stores in the cache memory of, I think, like that gets stored in the cache memory, but cache memory gets deleted when we refresh, right? Or not? Yeah, the browser. Yeah, so I think cookies. I was mentioning cookies. Sorry, Cookie, cookies. Yes, I misspelled. Like I think tell like cache. I was trying referring to something like cookies. That's how actually it. I have studied in web development, basically. So cookies is something which is used for that, maintenance of that. Yeah. So this will generate. Actually, I don't have much idea. Like what function should I implement? Uh, Generate a token function would basically when a user logs in, it generates a token which will be stored in as cookies on the web browser. So that would be able to. Okay, but main thing is that we can implement that logic like when the user actually goes and search, like viewer goes and search about a video, then this is the a list of videos that and then he can like how does these actually interact, like these classes interact. So let me write some of the code for the main classes, like let's say for viewer. So viewer has all these things which we have just said. Um, like obviously, first there is an account class which this user extends, which has all the information like ID, password, and those things. and cost. Yeah, and then user mainly what he does is that this like a video. I think I put that in the this section like comment, subscribe. These are the methods. So these are not data members. These are the methods. So they should come down over here. Yeah, like he can like a video. So what happens when the user clicks on a liking a video? Let's say. So now the video should have like incremented the like count. That also I did not mention in the video section. Like count can be one of the thing. So let's say when the viewer, there is a video class and these are all functional things that it has. It also has something like count. So now this is an integer and there is a method like when it like increment a like count, and it will take I think yeah, incremental like count will just increment it by one, and dislike also we can have, or unlike like yeah, I think and then you can like remove your like, so decremental like count will be there. So these are just like this will just increment the like count by one. So this really simple function, and but how user actually calls it, like when he calls like a video. So first of all you go to that video, and that video dot like count, this let's say video is I passed a video called v1. So what we will do that v1 dot increment like count, we will implement this function, so that would increment the like count of that video. Similarly, when he comments, then for a video how can we store comments? I think comment should be another class, I feel, where comments have the some of the information like text that it has. Yeah, you see. Hmm. Yeah, anything which you want to add? Like this is how like I generally perceive a low level design question, like first defining the requirements and then writing out the classes. Are you saying something? Yeah, obviously, like I think viewer and video, that would be a many to many, right? Because there will be multiple viewers. Yeah, like I didn't get what do you mean by solving that relationship, like how we handle that. Yeah, so basically, what I mean by many to many relationship is that like a user should be able to access like should have access to all of the videos which are present in the our database. So like obviously then there is a class called public private. I think I should have done that as well. But yeah, so the public videos which are available on our system, so any user can see all those videos. And similarly, as what I said, that um, videos are hmm, yeah, so list of videos, or yeah, that is a nice thing because we can't store this with a video thing. And recent watch. Recent one thing is about recent watch is that it should be sorted around like that, but to get the exact time when it was watched. Hmm, uh, video. So a user, I think. Hmm. Uh, Instead of recent watch list would be a list of videos, and I think it would be a mapping between the videos and the time. Uh, yeah. So start time, I think we can mention. So, and start time of when he starts watching the video. So for this, I think we can create for each video we have start time, like this video he watches, and there are multiple. He may watch same video multiple times. So I think that also we can cover like uh, okay, but we cannot. Yeah, yeah, we cannot have like, yeah, if he watches video multiple times, because multiple videos. Yeah, because the it if I have it as key, then it would be an issue. Like then so I think we can add something like acha. So we can add something like, again, a list of pair. I thought like it is better to keep at is like that. A list of pairs where pair have video as first element and second element as starting time. I think that way. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. So and how much they watch the video. Okay. Like again, like we can like a list of for a video, like this is the starting time. Okay, so again, like I think we can have a structure that has a video, the starting time, and the duration. Then we don't need an ending point. So a structure which can store these three things. And we can have again a list of list not list of list, but this is video start time. And okay, so for a particular video I have something like that. So this is a pair of video which goes to pair of start time and duration. This I think should be the scenario for that. But one thing is like, why do we want such like thing key when the user started the video and how much duration he watched? I think like as I have seen the recent watch list, I think there it is just a video. And yeah, that it is in. I don't even sure that if they show the starting time when I started watching the video, but yeah, it is sorted according to the order that I know. One thing. Yeah. So I still don't understand when you said that how will you show like many to many relationship between the videos and viewer? Like how do you perceive it like to show it in this scenario? Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, got it. So one class for showing that relationship details would be good. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Watched by. Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah. So that is not for, I think, a user, but that is good for analytics, as you said. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Cookies. Yeah. 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 So accounts and viewer, are you saying that? Yeah, I got it. So that was more like a class diagram was not like the act this is the point where actual code starts. So that was the class diagram. So which classes? Yeah, I think I forgot to write this like actually like how before name the data type should come before the name instead like I also semicolons also. So I think that could have like a separate like got the idea about this. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is C plus plus. Yeah, that was not obvious like because I thought like I did not. Yeah, I could have yeah done that in more good way, but first of all, I was like trying to get the functionalities so that yeah. Also because I think I copy pasted this all things. I didn't write it over here. I copy pasted it from there above. Yeah, so that was one thing. But I think at this point when we start coding, we should move to ID something or like discuss with the interviewer whether he wants to move it to ID. Generally, they focus on ID coding for coding. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Hmm. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. So that comes under the thoda sa yeah operating system basically. Yeah, that comes under the operating system how you are actually like paging and using the swapping thing how you're swapping your pages. Yeah, so that I said that first page will contain, let's say, whenever the user will scroll down to the like end of the page, then we will actually put those results, append those results. Yeah, but how those? Yeah, yeah, because like the server, I think because I said that list of videos will contain all the videos, and user will only see, let's say, first 30 of it. But for the server, the server did not fetch all the videos at a time. The server also fetches like part by part. Okay, so I think we can implement that when we search for a video. We can take top 30 something priority queue, which we can take because that to assign a priority to a video, like how much relevant it is. So let's say if we have fetched the 30 videos, then we can like these are the videos that are stored currently on server. So from the database, this is what I have fetched. But now, how will if the user wants next set of 30 videos? Will the server again run that function to fetch the next 30 videos? Hmm, hmm, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. So, any suggestions that you would like to? Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm, hmm. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Okay. Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah, thanks. Also, like I think now I should also explore more about system design, as you like the first diagrams that you created, something like APIs, databases. I have heard about it, but I have never like gone to that. Like for me, like that's what like I think of system design. But yeah, I think there's a lot more to explore in that space. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. So I can like yeah, sure. I got the idea. So yeah, but basically this is I think I have talked about this. So this is like what they told me that this is like the low level design is generally asked. So there is like that part comes under the high level design when we talk about APIs and databases. Which database will I choose? And like like yeah, what how I will reduce the latency and load balancing stuff. And then the low level design is more about like coding actual elements that you have, like just designing class diagrams and then actually coding like some of the classes and some of the implementation which you feel like is the most important. Like I saw someone implementing the chess engine. So there he did like obviously he created all the classes, all the for all the like pieces and all the classes that are generic, but then he focused more on like something like checkmate. How do you do checkmate? And then when you make a move, is that move a valid or not? So those like the main key part you which I thought also to implement. So I thought like key part for like to implement as like liking or sending a comment and actually storing that into the like that's how we can show the interaction between the classes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's end the interview. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Ayush, Ayush, Ayush. Yeah, cool. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, man. See you. Bye.